So children, now here I am with some of the terminologies which you will come to know, and you have to learn that also. Just go through the graph, right? If you try to relate, you can relate it with the heartbeat, though it is not the heartbeat. So here I have put the arrow sign also in all the vertical lines, right? So through this graph, it will be very easy for you people to understand what are those terminology. First, let us start with the volume of air which is inspired or expired with each normal breath. Inspiration, expiration already we have studied. So normal breath, right? And the amount is this amount of air, volume of air which is being inspired or expired by normal breath is 500 ml, right? And this in average adult actually, of this 500 ml of inspired air, only 350 ml of fresh air reaches to the lung alveoli. Out of this 500, 350 reaches to the lung alveoli, right? And whatever the amount of fresh air reached to the lung alveoli, it is called as alveoli volume, right? And this 150 remaining of inspired air remains in the respiratory tract whenever we inspire. Okay? And from that nasal chambers to terminal bronchioles, whatever the respiratory tract, whatever the way from the respiratory tract is, right? That is called as the tidal volume. This is called as the tidal volume. Okay. Now come to the volume which is extra. And the extra, when it happens, when we take extra, whenever we forcibly inspire, जोर से सांस लेना, deep breath, right? So during this extra, during that forcible inhalation, the extra volume of air enters into our body, and it is beyond the limit of the tidal volume. And this is about 2,500 to 3,000 ml. So it is deepest possible inspiration. Less than this, that can occur, but it is the ultimate, right? And because of that, whatever volume is volume of air enters into our body will be called as inspiratory reserve volume, right?